Rob Guthins, the service master, the master of disaster in Mobile, Alabama. Won a water job in a commercial building. This type of job with suites left and right in a small commercial building is way beyond the capabilities of a small mom and pop carpet cleaning company. You need a professional drying company such as Service Master. We'll extract all this water and put some air movers and dehues and verify that it's dry, make sure they don't have any residual mold, and we'll be done. It's all in a day's work for the master of disaster. Service Master, the master of disaster. Area code 251-653-9333.